As we stare at the new normal in business, innovation is the way out to stay relevant and survive in these unprecedented times. The rapid transformation happening in the automotive industry needs a strategic response immediately. To maintain our competitive edge, Faurecia Innovation in Hagenbach, Germany, is proud to announce a collaboration with Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Together, we present a unique, comprehensive framework spanning strategy, ideation, and imbibing a culture of innovation. Launching the Integrated Product Development 2020-2021, an advanced open innovation and ecosystem acceleration program. With sustainable mobility and cockpit of the future at the core of our strategic transformation, the Live Lab IP, Integrated Product Development, is designed to challenge the status quo and invoke ideas with a high potential for innovation. Boundaries will be transcended by innovation and lead to a robust open innovation ecosystem, increasing innovation hit rate, massification of an idea repository, a culture of innovation. Integrated product development spans over 5 phases in a speed mode: analysis, exploration, conception, validation and precising, realization and prototyping. The IP Challenge promises to foster a spirit of creativity and learning, reinforced by the current global scenario. Master students from the KIT will create ideas with a high potential for innovation, aligned with the megatrends of mobility, such as sustainable mobility, comfort, health and wellness, connectivity and digitalization, individualism and freedom, safety and system trust, affordability, mobility as a service. Highly interactive physical and virtual engagements are expected across each phase for all participants through web tools, online platforms and e-coffee events. Today we launch the Innovation Mindset Workshop at Faurecia Interior System R&D Center in Hagenbach. This marks the start of the IP journey, which promises to be an overwhelming success. The challenge will connect 42 master students from KIT, 4 doctoral researchers from IPEC, Professor Dr. Albers and 3 chief engineers, 8 Faurecia innovation professionals with the entire Faurecia organization support. After a thorough background validation, the Faurecia expert panel will shortlist the best and most viable ideas by February 2021. Today, the time has come to understand the challenges facing us and find solutions to meet the demands of the future. As we celebrate the journey of IP, we welcome all the participants and thank all the students and Faurecians for being part of what promises to be an incredible journey.